Well, old Burnt Toast, gonna get a bath, and then we're gonna pull it in the shop, fix an oil leak, and do some wipe on clear coat. All right, so after going ahead and peeling off this little piece of trim, cleaning that up, I'm gonna go wipe this thing all the way down with some degreaser cleaner, get any bug guts the pressure washer didn't peel off, get it clean, and then let it dry. Then we're gonna mix up some Vice Grip Garage Patina clear coat, and we'll get that all wiped on this thing. We'll see how it looks. All right, I got it all wiped down with some Duplicolor Prep cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably wipe it down one more time just to make sure all the crap's off. And then we'll go ahead and mix up some clear coat. Give her a wipe down. All right, I went ahead and started wiping it on the roof. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing mounted on a tripod, and we'll video getting this thing all clear coated. All right, after wiping this all on, we're just gonna let it sit and dry. Now this is probably about an hour later, so it's almost dry to the touch, but we'll let it cure and we'll check it out in the daylight. You will see some light streakage. That's okay. I don't care. This thing's nothing special. It's just a old kind of surface rusted patinaed Camaro, so don't really care. So anyways, that's the finished product. Gives it that nice little shine instead of just being just kind of flat and brown. I think it'll look good, especially in the sun. I might go back later and give it the gloss clear. This is matte clear. We'll see what I decide to do, but right now this will work just fine. All right, there we go, out in the sunshine. A little extra gloss to her. I think it looks way better. Well, that's it for this video, so go ahead and like and subscribe if you guys want to see more stuff like this.